Hello everyone. Every family has their own favorite pasta dish recipe, and I want to share our family favorite with you guys today. So this is a vegan fettuccine alfredo. It's made with spinach, mushroom, lemon juice, garlic, vegan cream, and of course the pasta. And also I'm going to season this with the amazing Herbamare original, just super flavorful, healthy. We love it. Let's start. So to start this super easy and quick recipe, you want to chop a white onion and also mince or finely chop 4 cloves of garlic. You're going to add this to your pan with a little bit of olive oil or avocado oil. Then I'm also adding some veggies in this recipe. You don't have to, it's optional, but I really like the taste of mushrooms in there. So I chopped about 2 cups of mushrooms. Then I'm adding my onion and garlic to a little bit of avocado oil over medium heat. Gonna mix that around for a few minutes, let it cook. And I'm gonna season with my Herbamare original. I love this blend of aromatics, fresh herbs, and organic sea salt. I'm adding my mushroom, letting it cook for a few minutes, tossing around every once in a while. Once that is ready, I will then add my vegan cream. You can use soy cream like I'm using today. You can also use cashew cream, whatever, oat cream, and you can also do half cream and then half milk, so almond milk or whatever if you want to make it less rich. And I'm also adding a key ingredient, which is the nutritional yeast. Adds definitely like a cheesy, creamy flavor to the dish. I love this. So just let it simmer around for a few minutes, and then I finally add a little bit more Herbamare after adding the soy cream. And then finally the spinach. You want to let it wilt just by simmering in the sauce. I add a little bit of water to it to make it a bit more liquid, and then you let it cook for a few minutes, and that's it for the sauce. Now for the boiling water, I add, instead of adding just salt to my water to season the pasta, I'm adding a cube of vegetable broth. I really find this trick amazing. It makes the pasta taste more flavorful than just salty. It's really good. So you want to cook your pasta according to the time on the package. Now it's time to mix and add the pasta to your sauce. I just directly take the cooked pasta from the pot and twirl it around in the pan with the sauce. Make sure everything's covered, and then you're ready to serve. I simply add it to a plate and squeeze a little bit of fresh lemon juice on top, add some of those veggies, a little bit of Herbamare to taste, and voila, you're ready. Bon appetit!